You open a PDF, hit convert, and yep, the whole thing looks like a disaster again. The fonts always shift, tables split apart, and the layout you needed is completely gone. Super frustrating, right? Don't worry. I'm here to help. I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word and Excel without losing formatting. I'll walk you through the right way to do it, plus share a couple of bonus PDF conversion tips, including how to handle mobile conversions when you're not at your computer. And for the demo, I'll be using PDFelement 12. This tool is designed to keep everything looking clean and consistent. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your PDFs into editable files without the usual headaches. Let's dive in. Why formatting gets lost. So why does this even happen? Well, a PDF isn't really built to be edited. It's more like a snapshot where everything's locked in place. When you throw that file into Word or Excel, the program basically has to guess how to rebuild the layout. And that's where things go sideways. That's why you'll often see images floating in the wrong spot, tables splitting into a mess of rows and columns, or fonts being replaced with something completely different. But here's the good news. It's not your fault, and it's not something you have to just put up with. If you use the right tools and methods, you can actually keep the formatting intact. Convert PDF to Word without losing formatting. We are all constantly running into situations where a PDF needs to be turned into a Word document. Maybe it's a contract you need to edit, maybe it's a report you want to update, or even just a form that's easier to fill out in Word. The problem is that most converters don't keep things neat. That's why I'm showing you how to do it with a PDF to Word accurate converter. It's super simple, and the formatting actually stays where it should. Here's a quick Wondershare PDF to Word converter tutorial in just 3 steps. Step 1, open your PDF. Fire up PDFelement, open your PDF, then go up to the toolbar, click Convert, and choose to Word. Step 2, adjust your settings. You can choose between PDF to DOC or DOCX, pick specific page ranges, or tweak other options under settings. This is totally optional, but it's nice if you only need certain parts of the file. Step 3, convert and save. Type in a file name, choose your output folder, and hit OK. That's it. Your Word file is ready, and the layout looks the same as your PDF. You know how, with some converters, fonts mysteriously switch to Times New Roman, or your tables end up split into random lines and boxes? With this PDF to Word high-quality conversion method, everything stays clean, which means you can jump straight into editing instead of spending an hour fixing the mess. Convert PDF to Excel without losing formatting. You've known real struggle only if you've ever tried pulling data from a PDF to Excel. All right, I might be a bit dramatic there, but you know the feeling when numbers land in the wrong columns? Or the headers get all shuffled and entire tables collapse into a mess of text? This is especially painful when you're working with invoices, balance sheets, or financial reports where every cell needs to line up perfectly. The good news is that PDFelement makes this a whole lot easier. Here's how you can turn a PDF into a clean, editable Excel file in just 3 quick steps. Step 1, pull up your PDF. Launch PDFelement and open the PDF you want to convert. Then, from the top toolbar, click Convert, and then to Excel. Step 2, adjust your settings, optional. If you only need a specific page range or want to fine-tune how the tables are exported, you can tweak that under Settings. Step 3, save your Excel file. Choose your destination folder, hit OK, and PDFelement will give you an Excel sheet where the tables stay intact and the columns remain aligned just the way you need them. Where a lot of free converters fall short when you're trying to convert PDF to Excel is in merging rows, misplacing totals, or breaking up large data sets. On the other hand, you have PDFelement that holds onto the structure, so you can get straight to analyzing your data instead of reformatting it for hours. Bonus tips for better PDF conversions. All right, before we wrap this up, let me give you 2 more quick tips that'll save you a ton of headaches when working with PDFs. First, if your PDF is actually a scanned image, like an old contract or a receipt, you'll notice that normal converters just spit out gibberish or nothing at all. It's because it is not text, but literally just a picture. And that's why I always recommend OCR, optical character recognition. PDFelement has this built in, so with one click, it'll read the text from that image and turn it into something you can actually edit in Excel, Word, or wherever you need it. Super useful if you deal with scanned files a lot. And my second but equally important tip, don't forget you can do all of this on the go. PDFelement has a mobile app and even a web version. So if someone emails you an urgent file while you're out, you don't need to wait until you're back at your desk. Just open it on your phone, convert it, and you're done. And that's all about how to convert PDF to Word and Excel without losing format. Hopefully, these tips will save you a ton of time and frustration, whether you're working with data-heavy reports, scanned files, or just everyday documents. If you found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe for more simple tech guides, and drop a comment if there's a PDF conversion challenge you want me to cover next. And if you're ready to try it yourself, check out PDFelement in the description. It's perfect for converting PDFs to Word or Excel, even scanned PDFs, without messing up your formatting. You can use it on desktop, mobile, or even online for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.